Hey, in this video, I will show you how to create cameos on Snapchat. It's actually a very interesting and simple tutorial that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is go into your chats and select any chat that you like. For example, this one, it's a test account, and you want to click on the emoji right here, the sticker, and click on the second option with the face. For example, I really like this one, so I just have to use my face, create my cameo, pick one. I'm a male, continue. Oops, there's a lot of noise now. Creating my cameo, loading, using I love this. Use this selfie. Okay, here I am, and now I can send cameos just like this. I really like that. Okay, so if this video helped you out, give me a like. Wanna see you in the next one.